What's going on, winners? My name is Joey Winning from Winning Tints, and today we're going to be wrapping a black 2021 Toyota Corolla to a matte gray metallic chameleon, which is going to shine all different colors when the sun meets the surface of this particular vinyl wrap.
Now check it out, guys. Watch when I go in the sun. Look in the floor right here. See the shade right there? Now watch when I go into the sun. Ready? See that? Ooh, that's nice. And then I go into the shade again. Nothing. See that? Like that? That's what's going on in that car. Stay tuned.
Now, if you want to skip to a specific part of this video, feel free to hit one of the timestamps in the description below. The Toyota Corolla is one of the most popular vehicles on the entire market and has been for a very long time. We're excited to take this practical-based vehicle and revamp it into something cool. While the winning team gets this vehicle prepped for vinyl wrap installation, I'd like to mention that it's important to know that most cars need to have certain parts removed to have vinyl wrap properly installed. Very few cars can get away with minimal reduction of the vehicle, like you can see here on this Tesla Model Y, where we didn't even have to remove the front bumper. Make sure you always trust in the experts here at Winning Tints. Let's jump into a quick fun fact about the history of Toyota and where the Corolla comes from. Toyota was founded by Kiichiro Toyota, who was born June 11, 1894, and started the Toyota brand in 1933. The company went public in 1936 and produced the Model AA sedan. By 1966, the first Corolla was born and became instantly popular for its price and everyday practicality. The name Corolla means little crown, and for good reason, because by 1977 it became the best-selling vehicle worldwide. With the expansion Toyota brought to Japan, they even named a city after Toyota where one of the biggest Toyota plants reside. Now, let's compare the 2023 Corolla to the reinvented 2023 Prius. The Toyota Corolla has 169 horsepower and gets 31 miles per gallon in the city and 42 miles per gallon on the highway. The Corolla has a nice economical price of $21,000. The Toyota Prius has 220 horsepower, surprisingly, and brags with 56 miles per gallon in the city and 57 miles per gallon on the highway. The price increases $7,545, but for the money you're going to be saving, I'd say it's a small price to pay for everything you're getting with it. To summarize our chart rating, amazingly, the winner for horsepower is going to go to the Prius, while the miles per gallon is also going to go to the Prius. While the cost goes to the Toyota Corolla, both of these cars are proven to be great everyday vehicles that will last you for years to come. The choice will be up to your budget, essentially. Now sit back and enjoy as the winning team gets this Toyota Corolla wrapped and transformed from an everyday look to something more unique and personalized. Now that the winning team is done wrapping this Toyota Corolla, we can see the chameleon popping through with the sunlight on it, while on a less sunny day it'll appear more stealth-like. When it comes to preference, are you looking for something more flashy or something more reserved? I personally love the stealth look. Now, it's important to know that when you're wrapping a car that has a chameleon integration, that you have to wrap the car directionally, meaning all the panels are going to be facing the same way, as if you're circling the car in one fluid motion. Otherwise, the panels will not match and the color will be off, like you can see here on some of these other cars. So make sure you bring your car to someone who knows what they're doing. Now, let's jump over to Long Beach, California to see the winning team wrapping vehicles with similar wrap choices. The winning team in Long Beach, California has been wrapping to perfection on every kind of car you can think of. If you enjoyed this video today, don't forget about our list of services including wrapping, tinting, detailing, paint correction, along with ceramic coating, which can include coating the windows as well as the body of your vehicle, and powder coating any wheel, any color. I'd also like to mention that we now offer 100-day interest-free financing, so stop by one of our shops to apply so you too can join the winning family. As always, I'm Joey Winning. Thank you for watching, and remember to always stay winning.